You're the original oyster man.
Yeah.
How long you had the oyster?
More than 30 years now.
On Fridays at Steakhouse on the veranda at Devon House, you have the original oysterman Pinchas that is here with some exceptional sauces. There's a hot sauce, there's a mild sauce, there's even a ganja sauce. He's one of the original oystermen, not one of it, the original oysterman. I've seen him in St. Elizabeth, I've seen him in Montego, I've seen him across the island. And today we have the pleasure, we're going to check out and eat some of the oysters, some of that sauce, and just have some oysters here on the veranda. Jamaican oysters, Jamaican ganja sauce. Ready? Say I get some oyster?
Yeah man, I record.
Yeah man.
I mean, no Jamaica tours, you know, JV, I was there upon a Devon House side, just get some oyster same way from the
That now
steakhouse.
wait pan.
You know what I mean? We just shut off a dozen nights, man.
Proper.
Yeah, man.
Alright, brother, respect.
Bless up yourself.
Alright.
Family are holy.
Yeah,
you know?
man.
Yeah, man.
Bless up yourself.
Right, man.
Original oyster man.
Yeah.
How long you had the oyster?
More than 30 years now.
30 years.
Yeah.
And all over the place, I see everywhere, I see a Montego Bay, I see a St. Elizabeth, I see all over.
Yeah, man.
Respect, man.
30 years of dedication to master the art of shucking oysters.
Otherwise, Pinchas been called me.
Ricky,
Yeah.
Pinchas, original oyster. Yeah, man. Give thanks, sir.
Bless you.
One by one, through ice, cold water, and razor sharp shells, he lays out his canvas to begin his art, his skill, his masterpiece.
So how many are we getting?
I want a whole bucket.
A whole bucket?
I want the bucket.
I know, they're small. We need to get a lot. A dozen is not enough.
No,
I need
dozen
like,
is not enough.
like 2 or 3 dozen?
At least, minimum.
4 dozen?
5, 6.
His hands, as precise as a surgeon's cut, bear the scars of experience. 30 years of dedication. From morning to night, he shucks. I wouldn't be surprised if he's shucked over 1 million oysters in his lifetime.
So the oysters that we have here in Jamaica are super razor thin. Look at that, like a sheet of paper.
Flat oysters, that one.
Super flat. What did you call these?
Flat oysters.
Flat ice day?
Flat oysters.
Yeah.
Flat oysters.
Flat oysters.
Flat oysters.
Yeah.
And you have cup oysters.
And cup oysters.
So you have the smaller ones and the bigger ones, so that's the difference?
Yeah, yeah.
So these are not so flat, these are flat.
Yeah, the flat one, these one are more nutriment in it, more effective, have everything in it, zinc, iron, everything. The flat one more stronger.
Got it.
More stronger. This one, you notice like an egg, it's more stronger.
And how's the
cup one, much nicer.
how's the ganja sauce, by the way?
I have it right here.
Does it get you up in the air, or is that a myth?
The ganja sauce is like a medicine.
Oh, it's right there? It's like a medicine.
If you have bad coughing, bad sneezing, you take about 3 songs, drink of that and you're up and...
Can I do a quick try?
Yeah, man, try it,
Is that
man.
okay? Oh, it's like a honey.
Yeah, look, onion night, garlic.
Oh, that's addictive. Yeah, we had oysters the other day, the first day I got here to Jamaica. The guy had a similar sauce, but oh, this thing, you feel this.
Okay.
You feel it.
Yeah.
It's good stuff. Yeah.
No water. No good.
No water, no good?
No good. Alright, this one up.
So what he says is if there's no water in the oyster, that oyster is not good. There are flat oysters, there are cup oysters. The flat one is just flat oyster. You know, with Jamaicans, we like our things very easy to remember. No long talking. Flat oyster, we call them flat oyster. Other ones, cup oyster.
Man.
What happened with that one?
Down good. Can you hear the hollow?
From it hollow as well, it's not good.
Not good.
Good afternoon.
It's enough shucking oysters. Should I say? You know what? Let's do a quick reel.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, real.
Well, I did one, but do you want me to do it?
Yeah, just say like we're here.
Cleaning the oyster is an essential part of eating and shucking oysters. Oysters feed by filtering water.
3, 2, 1.
Eating oysters that contain Vibrio bacteria can make you sick. It's recommended to have the oysters sit in clean water, add a little salt, and let them filter themselves out before you start shucking. These oysters have already been purged, so Pinchas is just separating them from the shell so that you can consume them easily.
This is it. Oh yeah.
Alright.
My man.
You know me, I forget one of the hot ones as well. Can bring all three.
So this is our plate.
Yes.
Wow.
Ganja sauce. Ganja sauce.
Look at this. This is so beautiful. I don't remember the last time I was this excited for oysters. So heaven. I've never had a chance to have like so much. And usually I don't want to spend the money. It's like in Miami, it's like man, a dozen oysters.
Yeah, but you get in the big cup oysters in there.
I know. Here, let's get closer to this. Sorry, this doesn't look good here.
You can't even see anything.
Yeah, man.
He's coming with the rest. Wanna
Respect.
take a photo?
Hold on.
Damn. You know what? Here.
You see the pimento, the peppers,
Damn,
the
bro.
Scotch bonnet
So you and me are
pepper,
focusing
the
on the wrong
onion,
thing,
all of that in this sauce. This is a spicy sauce. Red, always be danger. So when this spice hits you, but it's so flavorful. It's not just spice or a burning
Sorry about
heat.
that.
This heat is something that's more flavor. This sauce is 30 years in the making, and it's really a honey-based sauce. So it's sweet, it's savory, and it's just beautifully matched when you put it with the oysters itself.
Whoa.
Alright, so no, this sauce is the ganja sauce. This is the Jamaica oyster sauce. But this is also the Jamaica oyster sauce because it have the Scotch bonnet peppers, it have the pimento, and it have onions and natural honey from Jamaica.
So no ganja.
No ganja.
Okay, so spicy and
Spicy and
the one that gives you wings.
yeah, not the Red Bull of sauces.
Well, we have a lot of oysters. I can't wait, dude. So excited for this.
Trust me, we're gonna put that time on this car, I'm gonna fly through
Let's
this.
go. You ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
I need some spice. You gonna
Spice?
start me off at first?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, which one I want a cup one to that's a little baby.
Let's go.
Oh, nice trip. I love that.
Ooh, Scotch bonnet.
Yeah, I got the seed right there. You want the milder one?
No, I like this a lot. It's a nice heat. This one's not as sweet as the weed one.
Ganja. Oh, that heat is just mellow and nice.
Yeah, it's funny because he was like, I think we're gonna have the whole thing. Dude,
Yeah,
easy.
I definitely
Easy.
would have the whole thing with ease. Ow. Woo. My hand just cramped. It's right in there where I got burned.
Yeah, you got burnt?
Literally, I have to hold the water. Can't even drink the water after the holding the water.
cool down the hand. Look at that though. Look at the scotch bonnet peppers in there. The pepper seed. You got pepper seed in yours?
Trying.
You want to see that one?
Oh, you have a little pepper seed
Pepper
there?
seed in
There it
there.
is.
Yeah, man.
We're just binging this.
I ran into this sauce. I have to try some of this.
Go, let's do it.
I have to open it first. And this
Oh my
is
gosh.
the. Oh, look at that drip on it.
You can tell that one's more thicker, more honey.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
The wing sauce. Jamaica wings.
You know what? Try some with David's been here. We'll do it together. I need this
Different
one,
flavor,
though.
but we need a little more sweetness on it.
I think so. Yeah, mine is too spicy for.
Here's a mild one as well.
Sorry, bro. It's easy. This is so enjoyable.
Medium.
That's medium. Who needs medium? The Jamaican?
Not that. I thought you needed it.
No, bro. I need more ganja. It's amazing, guys. What a place. I love Devon House.
Beautiful.
Devon House is the best. Go with a little bit of mild.
Who needs the mild?
Nah, let's try it, right? No, we need that one.
You need this
The
one.
mild's a joke in terms of spice.
Once you try the spice, it's hard to go back to the mild. Let me see what's going on here.
It's a mukbang, Jamaican style.
Yeah, man. That is it.
Oh my god, some shell.
Oh man, that pepper
So
sauce
good.
is so much better.
I like these, the smaller ones, that are sweeter. So easy to eat. For me, mussels
That slurp.
and oysters, two of my favorites. To the sea.
Anytime to see. Sorry you don't get no conch yet. Try some that.
No curry con.
They say you loving the ganja.
The ganja's good.
It's
Best-
Jamaica, man.
It's the best ganja I've ever had.
Good. Slurping. I'm getting heat. I'm getting sweet.
All right, so for the last thing, I'm done. I have one more oyster. Press
have more
record.
if you want.
Press record. Yeah, it's ready. Dude, I got one last one.
Okay, go now.
I have one last one.
One last. I have a couple more. Make you have one last one. This is Jamaica. And Jamaica we share with the neighbor. If you pick up breadfruit, you give them half.
Oh, that's so nice.
If you pick from your ackee tree, you give them half. If you pick in mango, you give them some. So, cheers.
Cheers.
Hello.
Done.
You want more?
Pasta?
Amanda? That's my wife. And the food channel this, right? I'm always here, buddy. Yeah, I'm always here. Yeah, I'm always here on the food channel. You have the cup on there?
No, I'm not have the cup.
Which sauce are?
You have this as a sweet, you can taste it.
Yeah, man. Me know your sauce.
Sweet and pepper.
Yeah, I love it. Love it. Me not lie, this is one of my favorite things here.
Okay.
Yeah, man. And this is one I what? The heat, the sweet. This is sweet,
Sweet,
and
yeah, this
yellow
is
as
sweet.
usual is sweet.
Yeah.
Red are the heat.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That and that, David, you have to try that.
I'll try it. Alright, so how's it?
This is
that-
the Jamaican
that's what?
oyster sauce.
Jamaican oyster sauce.
Yeah, man.
So you see my pimentos in there
Can I try it?
and Scotch bonnet pepper.
Say again?
You have pimento, you have Scotch bonnet pepper, you have the Jamaican flavors in an oyster sauce.
Dude, it's spicy and sweet. And the
And
honey.
then that, when you chucks that,
Here it goes. Oh, they're small.
yeah, they're small. They're not going to be big and cuppy like what you
Mmm, it's different.
Yep. So you try that.
And then you throw this on
You
top?
throw that on top. And down the hatch.
Too fast? I'll do it again. Sorry.
Yeah, man.
It's an amazing oyster sauce. Wow. Same sauce?
Same sauce.
Oh my gosh. Like this, I can have 100. More.
Yo, woo!
Wow.
That nice. Love that.
Oh man, what's your name?
Ryan.
Ryan.
For the oysterman rolling.
You know, I've never had an oyster this small, but it's nice. This is like glass. Right?
Yeah, man.
The thinness. It's like a piece of slate. How many can we do? Is it a challenge today or what?
I will do the bucket. Don't run with me. When it comes to the bucket, I will done
The
that.
bucket.
Yeah, definitely.
Go.
Go. Here it again. Go, man. Go. No, the cup one them in there.
Oh, just like that, it's pure C. When you add this, you get the spice, the sweetness, a little tanginess.
Little tanginess because you're having the honey. It's almost like an escovitch with the pimento.
I would drink it. I'll do this. Man, it's like honey.
Sweet, man.
It's a honey sauce.
You got honey from Jamaica?
Yeah.
We have to get some honey with the cassava, with the cassava bread that you have there. Or is it bumpy? Bumpy?
Bummy.
Bumpy. Okay, we can do it. I can do it honey. Hey.
So the cameraman did not get in any. They need to try to.
No, they don't want to try anything. Nate, you want to try? He said it's for me. Bro, he's like, get more shots when you're eating. Oh, God. So good. Man.
So good.
So good. Nice and sweet. Wow, bro.
Yeah, man.
Wow. This is a nice little appetizer. It's like opening up my my hunger. Now I got really hungry.
No, build your back.
Hey,
No.
Nate, sorry.
Build your back, you know, so you get your woman pregnant fast.
Oh, it gets it.
Yes.
He's saying this will help you impregnate your wife.
Sure you need that then?
I don't need it. I'm 37 and
got
still
two.
going strong, bro.
You got two.
No, yeah, only 2. Forever.
I have one. What we call Jamaica, one arm move.
I stay strong up back.
Yes, sir.
It makes your back strong, right?
Yeah, man.
It makes your back strong. How many have we eaten? Like a dozen easy.
Yo, if you don't stop, I won't stop.
Be okay tonight, bro.
I'm telling you.
Thank God we have 2 bedrooms.
Exactly.
Thank the Lord.
Had to.
No open bathrooms.
No, bro, I lied. We have one big bed.
No.
You died. I didn't know top. Jamaica, you know it, man.